In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Steam Overlay. The Steam Overlay is a built-in panel you can open on top of your game to chat with friends, browse the web, check guides and achievements, and take screenshots without minimizing or alt-tabbing. It keeps you in the action while giving you quick access to the tools you need. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Once Steam is up, look to the very top left corner of the window for the Steam menu. Click Steam, then choose Settings. This opens a new window where you control how Steam behaves. In the Settings window, find and click the in-game section on the left. This is where all the overlay options live. At the top, you'll see the switch labeled Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Turn this on. That single toggle is what activates the overlay across your library. With that enabled, you're essentially done. You can close the Settings window. Steam saves the change automatically. The overlay is now ready to use the next time you launch a game from Steam. By default, you can open it while playing by pressing Shift and Tab together. You'll see a clean panel with your friends list, chat, web browser, achievements, guides, and more. You can also capture screenshots in most games with F12 and manage them directly from the overlay. A couple of quick clarifications to help you get the best experience. The overlay only appears in games launched through Steam, and some titles may show a brief loading message the first time you open it. If you don't see the overlay after turning it on, make sure you started the game from your Steam library and give it another try with Shift plus Tab. Changes usually take effect right away, but if the overlay still doesn't appear, a quick game restart can help. Also, overlays from other programs can sometimes conflict, so running fewer background overlays can improve reliability. If you prefer different keys to open the overlay or take screenshots, those options are right there in the same in-game settings page, so you can customize them to something that feels natural. Keep in mind that some competitive or full-screen exclusive games can restrict overlays for stability or anti-cheat reasons, so behavior may vary a bit by title. That's all you need. Open Steam, go to Steam in the top left and select Settings. Click In-Game and turn on Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Enjoy quick access to friends, guides, and tools without ever leaving your game.